3, 2, 1.
Which novel features an unnamed narrator who becomes a patient in a mental asylum? The answer is B. The Bell Jar. What is the name of the character played by Leonardo DiCaprio in Titanic? The answer is B. Jack Dawson B. Who invented the first practical refrigeration system? The answer is C. John Gorey. What is an element that tend to be malleable? The answer is A. Metal. Which slogan did the fast food company McDonald's use with their beloved slogan? The answer is B. We love to see you smile. What is the term for very large arrays of tandemly repeating, non-coding DNA? The answer is A. Satellite DNA. Different types of home heating systems all function by producing what type of energy? The answer is C. Thermal. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere filters most solar radiation? The answer is B. Ozone layer. Who won the Formula One World Championship in 2020? The answer is A. Lewis Hamilton. What is the invention that records sound and music on a disc? The answer is D. Phonograph. Porto Novo is the capital city of which country? The answer is B. Benin. Which vegetable grows under the ground and is often round and orange? The answer is C. Pumpkin. What is it that when seen, you still have plenty left, but when it's gone, you've none at all?
The answer is D. Time.
What disorder is often associated with obsessive thoughts and compulsive behaviors? The answer is C. OCD. Which famous psychologist developed the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator MBTI? The answer is B. Carl Jung. A student throws a ball. Which of these best describes the moving ball? The answer is B. The ball has kinetic energy. Which kitchen item helps in measuring liquids? The answer is A. Cup. What is the unique layer of nerve cells covering the cerebrum in mammals' brains called? The answer is B. The neocortex. What group from the 70s recorded the song Night Fever? The answer is A. Bee Gees. Which food gets its name from the Persian word for rice, palo, with meat added? The answer is C. Biryani. Which line contains the correct names of the 3 pilgrimage festivals in Judaism? The answer is B. Sukkot, Passover, and Shavuot. What is the popular puzzle game that involves matching colors and shapes? The answer is A. Candy Crush Saga. Who developed the atomic theory? The answer is A. Dalton. What biblical hero delivered these words? The answer is D. Samson. How many sets of chromosomes do gametes contain? The answer is D. Single. What do we call the long, thin utensil used for stirring? The answer is A. Spoon. Which tool has a long, thin blade and is used for cutting?
The answer is B. Scissors.
Decomposers are organisms that eat and break down dead plant and animal material. Which organism is a decomposer? The answer is C. Bacteria. Where water be located in its gas form? The answer is C. A mile up in the sky. Which substance has the formula HCl? The answer is B. Hydrochloric acid. Greta Garbo was born Greta Lovisa Gustafsson. Who gave her stage name? The answer is C. Director Moritz Stiller. The breakfast that a student ate provided energy for bicycling later in the day. Which energy transformation most likely occurred? The answer is D. Chemical to mechanical. Which leader is known as the father of modern India? The answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which statement best identifies a basic need of all animals? The answer is A. They need to eat. Who played the role of Ernie McCracken, Roy's nemesis, in the movie Kingpin? The answer is B. Bill Murray. What's the fastest land animal? The answer is C. Cheetah. Which architect is known for his biomorphic and organic structures? The answer is C. Antoni Gaudí. Which ocean has the largest coastline? The answer is A. Atlantic. Which country is famous for the Leaning Tower of Pisa? The answer is B, Italy. In which country was actress America Ferrera born? The answer is C, the USA. What electronic device stores data magnetically? The answer is A, hard drive. A scientist is trying to decide whether an organism is unicellular or multicellular. Which information would help the scientist most to make her decision? The answer is C. How many types of cells are in the organism? What is the medical term for a cut or wound on the skin? The answer is B. Incision. Transforming from a caterpillar to a butterfly requires a lot of what? The answer is D. Energy. The cells of organisms found in the phylum Porphyra sponges are not organized into tissues. What structures are absent in organisms belonging to the phylum Porphyra? The answer is D. Organs. The process of getting oxygen into the body and releasing carbon dioxide is called? The answer is C. Respiration. Most reptiles reproduce sexually and have what type of fertilization? The answer is C. Internal. Which tool is used to measure distances and angles? The answer is D. Tape measure. Which mountain range spans 3 continents? The answer is A. Himalayas. What is the 6th rule of Fight Club in the self-titled movie?